Ladies and gentlemen, some of you might remember this person. This is the man that shot at George Zimmerman, and he ended up going to jail for second-degree attempted murder. Well, he may be getting a new trial. hmm It's a shame this man didn't go to the gun range more. What a pity. So, this came out on clickorlando.com November 9th, 2021. Man sentenced for shooting George Zimmerman in Seminole County to get a new trial. And this man's name is Matthew-Apperson, 42 years old, sentenced to 20 years. Well, I guess they think George Zimmerman is not worth those amount of years because he is getting a new trial. Seminole County court records show Matthew-Apperson, the man originally found guilty of firing a gun at George Zimmerman in 2015, will be getting a new trial. Apperson, 42, was sentenced to 20 years on charges of attempted second-degree murder in 2016. According to court documents filed on Monday, the courts approved Apperson's motion for a rehearing along with his motion for post-conviction relief, meaning his 2016 sentence has been set aside. The motion claimed that Apperson's defense attorney was ineffective, causing him to have an unfair trial. So this dude said his trial wasn't even fair. Damn. The motion cited that the defense failed to object to jury instructions, which included the language not otherwise engaged in criminal activity, which the motion claims was confusing and misleading. The motion also claims the defense attorney failed to make proper objections and obtain definitive rulings on an improper closing argument, record shows. So he's saying pretty much his defense attorney completely failed him in court on this entire criminal charge that he had. And so he's pretty much saying his defense attorney didn't do his job. He didn't do shit for him. Per court record, Apperson's bond was set at $50,000 on Tuesday. He bonded out of the Seminole County jail on Tuesday night. Wow. Apperson was arrested in May 2015 after Lake Mary police said he shot a gun into an SUV driven by Zimmerman. Zimmerman wasn't hit by the bullet, but he was hit by glass and shrapnel. Apperson claimed he shot at Zimmerman's SUV out of fear for his life after Zimmerman waved a gun at him. Zimmerman denied that claim. Now, that is not the first time I heard about Zimmerman waving guns. If you remember that altercation, that domestic violence altercation not long after he got off scot-free for killing Trayvon Martin, that woman said he pulled the gun on her. So I've heard this before about him pulling guns on people. So I guess if you let somebody get away with murder, you can expect them to act the fool with a gun, just like George Zimmerman. So it looks like this man may be getting a new trial and possibly different charges, or he may get time served in jail already and get out scot-free. So, and it's not the only time we have seen these sort of things happen in America. Defense attorneys let people down all the time. And we know this. This is all too familiar in the Black community where they make you do plea deals for crimes you never did. And that is a large part of exonerations in America. These plea deals that they try to talk black men into doing, thinking they're going to get a lesser charge or not as much time in jail. And they end up screwing these men over and they end up getting decades behind bars in many cases. So we'll see how things work out in this particular case. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.